Online education at the time of COVID-19 pandemic. COVID-19 has taken a toll on the whole world, affecting students, educators, and institutes. By and large, the education sector is affected on a large scale. Educational institutes were closed down all over the world with the spread of coronavirus. While some institutes shifted to online education to continue the academic activities, many schools and colleges remained shut and couldn't continue because of the lack of resources. Also, there are many students who cannot afford digital platforms that are necessary for e-learning, which has forced them to give up on their studies. Even though people were familiar with digital learning with apps like skills learning apps, language learning apps, etc. However, the complete and sudden shift from physical classroom to virtual space disturbed the study environment, which in turn affected the students. But at the same time, it has its own advantages too. It is convenient, easily accessible, and time saving. Because of the negative effects rising day by day, people found various activities and courses to build up their skills, trying to divert themselves from the chaos. As the saying goes, something is better than nothing. So instead of being idle and doing nothing, wasting our time, online education is much better. Though less effective and the quality of education is much lesser than the physical classes, it is the best method to continue academics, given it is within our own comfort zone. There is no knowledge as to how long the pandemic is going to prolong, and also it is uncertain how the post-COVID life will be. So it is better to get adapted to the new changes and the growth of the educational technology.
Advantages of online learning. You can learn whatever you want from online courses. From online learning, you can pick the program of your dreams in traditional education too, but that would involve traveling away from home, living in a completely unknown city, and struggling in an extremely competitive learning environment. It costs more expensive than the online education. In online education you can take any program of or course present in traditional four-year universities. The great variety of online programs and courses is a huge advantage of this type of education. It doesn't matter where you study, you can always find a suitable course or even a degree program that you can follow from home. Second, forget about attending classes for hours, sitting in an uncomfortable chair and suffering from back pain. By the end of the day, you will not be bound to physical class sessions when you opt for online education. All lectures and needed materials are provided through online platforms, so that you can easily access them from the comfort of your home. Third, online courses look great on a resume. It doesn't matter where your career stands at this moment. An online program will always look good on your resume. It will show potential employers that you are committed to learning and you are eager to obtain more knowledge and new skills. Hiring managers don't see online degrees as inferior to traditional ones. When you start browsing through interesting online courses and programs, you'll notice the self-paced label on most of them. A self-paced system enables them to make progress with rhythm that suits them. This type of system does not require attending live sessions. You can access the materials at any time that works for you. Fifth, the fact that online programs are cheaper when compared to the ones we are attending in campuses is setting enough to convince you to consider them. The average tuition for online course depends on multiple factors, so it varies from one program to another.
Online classes have become the go-to method of education during the pandemic crisis that the world is facing. The online method has many advantages, but it also lacks in the following ways. First, you don't have your instructor holding you to stay on your task. This can lead to procrastination, which we all know has never helped any of us. It results in accumulation of tasks and assignments, and the students just complete them without diving deep in for the best learning. Then there is this sense of isolation that most students would feel while taking their classes from their homes. There might be some instances where you will chat or talk with your instructor or your peers, but it is very limited and a rare happening. This can make the student feel that they are in this alone, without understanding that there are 70 other students feeling the same way. The online method of learning also requires you to be independent and an active learner. The student needs to be responsible for their own learning in this method. It gives the student a lot of freedom and elasticity on their learning, which can be a little too much sometimes. If you are not holding yourself accountable, you can easily become lethargic, which will hinder your growth. Generally, students in school or those who are pursuing an undergraduate degree are not mature enough to focus on their studies and growth without their instructor's supervision. Hence, the method of learning can be harmful to them.
In early 2020, the era of the coronavirus pandemic began. The magnitude of the pandemic would have been exponentially greater if it occurred before the internet. The world would have come to a standstill and the global economy would plummet. Luckily, because of the advancements in technology, we had a rather seamless transition to everything online. For us students, online classes were a roller coaster ride. While it was great to attend classes from the comfort of our homes, it got old very quickly. Online classes had their own limitations and admittedly aren't the best method for learning. Interacting with the classroom physically just has a deeper impact and makes learning easier. The environment of our schools, colleges motivates us to be better. The pandemic taught us to be more open-minded towards taking up courses online and not limiting us from learning. Learning is often considered to be a normal part of professional and personal life. Both learning for achieving targets as well as achieving knowledge should not be neglected. An online environment is changing continuously and it represents a great opportunity for learning. It's important to discover how to learn using all the available communication channels and choosing the ones that best suit a person's style of filtering the information.
Thank you, Akhil sir, for giving us this opportunity. Thank you, Akhil sir.